Hello everyone, welcome to EnlightersAcademy. In this video, we'll be showing the CRM for airline industry. This project is done by JSP, HTML, JavaScript, and on the backend it is servlets. And as a database, we use MySQL. Let's dig further. So here I have already launched the project from Eclipse. So if you don't know how to launch the project from Eclipse or you have any doubts, you can always refer back to our YouTube channel, which is Enlighters Academy, and you can search for launching dynamic web project for Eclipse IDE. You can search with this topic. You will get our video which clearly explains how to launch a web project from Eclipse. So once you are done that, as we always recommend, and it's a mandatory which we say, you copy this URL and paste it in the Chrome browser. We recommend only Chrome browser because it works well with HTML5 tags which we have used in this project. Now more into this CRM for airline industry. Here you have 5 users: administrator, airport staff, retail, and passenger. Sorry, 4 users. And basically this project is about managing an airport, how well administrator can manage an airport with the help of his staffs, and how well that POS means point of sales, the different shops in airport can reach out to different customers, and how it makes the customer's life easy in booking tickets or canceling and all other perspectives. Okay, let's start with administrator. You can consider the administrator as a person who is the owner of an airport, or probably that overall CEO, or overall any big very important person, maybe a government, an authority which is overlooking the functionality of the airport. So if you want to log in as an administrator, the username and password is admin, and here you will be able to see the different functionalities which admin can do. He can add an airport staff. Okay, let me add an airport staff, Sam. And password also I am saying here, let me give a password. And just for the sake of email, I'm giving an email as sam@gmail.com. Mobile number, any 10-digit number, 123. Okay, so I have added the staff. You could see airport staff added successfully. Okay, now I can add a retail POS. It could be I can name it as Sendel, and I give a password of my choice, and sendel@gmail.com, a dummy email, and a 10-digit number. Let me just give a number, and I added the retail POS as well. Retail POS added successfully. And admin can also see the number of passengers. Here he could see one passenger who has a booking, and the number of he could see the complete details of the date of travel, what is their identification number, what is the phone number, which flight they are traveling, and what is the booking ID. This really helps the admin in case of any emergency, or if he wants to track down a passenger. This gives him a complete picture of what all passengers has booked the ticket. Now as you have seen these functionalities, just log out. Now let's see the functionality of an airport staff. We log in. It is asking for the name and password. Name was Sam and password was what I have given. And there it is. I'm able to log in as an airport staff. And airport staff's functionality, you can see it is as like add flight, and visitor stores. So the main functionality for the airport staff is to add new flights, which is actually traveling from that airport. Flight number. Let's give a flight number, uh, and a flight name. Could be SpiceJet. From I could say Bangalore. It is traveling from Bangalore, and the date of travel, when it is actually traveling. I could say that the flight is traveling on 30th of November, and the time would be around 6 of 6 6:45. Let's give a time, and it is 6:45 p.m. Okay, and where it is traveling to, let's give Chennai. And how many tickets are available in this flight? Consider that it is a little bigger flight, so I'll just give a random flight. Now tickets are 60. Added that info, and it says flight info added successfully. So a flight has been added, and you can also see the visited stores, like kind of what are stores and what are the offers they are providing. And just to keep a track of the number of stores and having it in this airport, and see the validity and see that offers they are providing. It could be this information could be used to have a better tracking later. So I just log out of the traveler. Now let's of the airport staff. Now let's log in as POS. Here the POS we gave the name was Sendil. There is it. POS, as I already said, it's a point of sale. It is for the shop person. So that shop is already allocated to certain person. Here it is Sendil, and it's up to the Sendil to see that what is the kind of shop he wants to put up, right? He has got the space, so I need to give. He has to provide a shop number which is assigned to him, and a shop name. Here I would say KFC. He's planning to open a KFC out, point here, and current offers is 20 percentage 20% on burgers. Okay, and the validity. So validity, I would say that let's give some validity from 13th till probably December 21st, 31st. Just say random values and say add shop. And so the shop is added, and you can log out. Now the important person in this entire project is the passenger, because passenger this this project is especially to make the life of passenger much easier with everything in online. So let's sign up as a passenger. Let's give a name, Jyoti. Just give a password of your choice. I'll say she's a female, and Jyoti at gmail.com, just for easy understanding, and a mobile number of choice, 10-digit mobile number, and there you go. So Jyoti is registered successfully. Now the passenger user ID is Jyoti at gmail.com. Okay, so Jyoti at gmail.com, and the password is what you are given for login. There is it. Now as a user customer, Jyoti has a lot of information to see. First is the flight information. Jyoti can see what are the flights flying from here to from this airport. You could see this is what we added just now. It's a SpiceJet airport. It's a flight, sorry, from Bangalore to Chennai, and it has total 60 number of seats. This is a flight we have just added as an airport staff. Now Jyoti can go and book a flight. In fact, she would be able to see what are the flights available, and to book a flight you can give the flight number. From this list you can choose a flight number you want to do, and the name of the passenger. Let's say Jyoti herself is traveling, and this she can also book a flight for some other passenger. You could give any name of her choice, and date of the journey. When it is traveling, it is on 30th, so we give November 30th. And identification number is a passport or Aadhaar card number, which is mandatory. Just giving a random number, and email ID. Here, since Jyoti is traveling, she can give her own email ID. It's not mandatory. She can give the email ID of the person for which she is booking the ticket for, and the phone number. She can give any number of choice. Okay, and please note all this information are mandatory, and this date of journey has to match the date of the flight. I'll say book, and the ticket is booked successfully. So if she goes to cancel option, she would see that the booking which she has already done for. So she has an option to cancel, and if she wishes to, she can press on to the cancel button and the ticket would be cancelled for her. Now let's go to eShop, where she could see what are the offers going on and what are the shops available. Here, this KFC was recently added by us, just by one of our retailer, point of sales, POS retailer, Sendil. He added this KFC outlet, 20% on burgers, which Jyoti is able to see, and they will be able to buy as well. Okay, and this is a history of what is a product she has brought. Let's say she brought this product, successfully brought that KFC burger online, and in history you would see that what is Jyoti can see that what she has brought it from this airport, from this online tool. So then the logout will take back to that home page. So hopefully, and I assume you guys understood the project, and please provide your feedbacks, and any and for any project requirements, please reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help. You can reach to us on enlightersacademy@gmail.com. Thank you.